Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? I hope you're all well. In today's video, I've got another unboxing. It's just a small package. I'm hoping it's what I'm thinking is. So let's get straight into it. If you're new here, a warm welcome. If you're old here, then welcome back. Yeah, in the last few weeks we've been doing box sets, and this is a replacement box set for my carry-on. So yeah, this is the carry-on box set. I've got all these films. I've got them in individual, so it's taking up nearly 30 odd spaces on my shelf for how many films they've made. It's taken up. The only one what's not in here is Carry On Columbus, which wasn't a great hit anyway, but I'm going to keep my Carry On Columbus but get rid of all my other Carry On films and replace them with a box this thin. I cannot believe how thin this box is, and it's got all the films on. Like I say, I haven't got my glasses, but let me turn them around and see that there's a list. It's got all the films on. So let's open it and have a look, see what it is, what it looks like inside. Get me trusty scissors to start the plastic off, and there you go. But yeah, it's a really nice outer case. I'm having trouble opening it, the box. I don't really want to rip it, so yeah. And then inside is 3 cases. Volume 1 is blue. Volume 2 is green. And volume 3 is yellow. And yeah, let's have a look in volume 1. Just there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 discs, 6 discs, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 films plus extras. So yeah, the first 12 films on the one, and then the next 6 films, sorry, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, another 12 films on volume 2. So that's 24 plus 6. So it starts and it ends in Emmanuel and starts Carry On Sergeant. So yeah, can you believe it? I spent the time collecting all the individual films, but now I've got no room on my shelves. So I've bought the box set. So I think this will give me extra room on my shelves to fill with films. If you like this sort of thing, please give me a thumbs up. If you really like this sort of things and not subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free. And check out my other videos. I don't know about you, I'm a fan of the Carry On films, and I even like the ones that other people don't like. Anyway, bye bye for now.